one of France's most unique and opulent chateaux, La Foyer Boulart is now available for private rental, with services fit for royalty. Perched on a hill overlooking the picturesque French Basque town of Biarritz, it's tucked away down a small road, a secret palace that even most locals aren't aware of. The chateau dates back to 1881, when businessman Charles Boulart commissioned award-winning architect Joseph Louis Duc to become a home on the highest point in Biarritz for his wife. From this vantage point, guests have expansive views across the town to the stunning Côte des Basques beach. Stained glass, marble columns, mosaics, sculptures, frescoes, intricate stonework, and carved wooden paneling are among the many beautiful features. And unlike other French chateaux available for holiday rentals, this property is packed with exquisite antiques, art, hand-printed wallpaper, and opulent chandeliers. Filled with character, La Foyer Boulart really feels like a grand chateau that can become your home, even if only temporary. For the interiors, Yves Badetz, a heritage curator from one of Paris's top museums, worked closely with the owners on every aspect of the design. To conserve the chateau's original ambiance, he drew inspiration from authentic documents of the epoch. Antique furniture is complemented by modern art. Contemporary touches blend with rare objects, like the billiard table that once belonged to the Lumiere brothers, the inventors of cinema. A large reception room opens out onto ocean views, just next to the lounge bar with a golden metallic countertop, sitting rooms, and secret boudoirs. The vast chateau has 8 spacious bedrooms and can accommodate 14 guests. All the rooms have their own bathroom with marble walk-in shower, bathtub, and hand basins. Each room is stylishly decorated and furnished with unique period items acquired at auctions or from antique dealers. Every suite is unique. The Coco Room is an homage to the legendary fashion designer whose first couture shop opened in Biarritz. The Red Rodman Wanamaker Room has a stunning replica of a chest of drawers made for Queen Marie Antoinette, while the bathroom has a shower covered in gold mosaic. The largest suite features a lush 4-poster canopy bed and a long private balcony with glorious sea views. Many of the suites have separate circular sitting rooms, so charming and with lovely views from each window. Outside the classical antiquity-inspired sunken garden, with its fountains, century-old trees, and sun loungers, is the ideal place to relax.